Hi friends, in this video we will go to the next concept known as conditional statements. So how we can use the conditional statements in the JavaScript. Let's assume I have one condition. I'll make it as a true. Okay, so if this condition is met, if it is true, I need to execute some logic, or otherwise I need to execute another logic. For example, we can write like this: if condition, so we can write console.log condition true, okay, or otherwise else I can write console.log condition not true. Okay, we can check this condition. So now what we will try to do is we will try to execute this logic. Now if I try to execute this logic, what we got? So we got the condition true. Why? Because so is here the variable his condition is true, and here we are getting it true. So then it is executing this block. Now what I will try to do is I will try to make it false, and we will check here. If I try to clear, now we are able to get the output as condition not true. So here what is it? So condition is false. So if condition, yeah, it is not true, and it is going into the else condition. So this is the thing how we can write the simple if condition. Now let's think that I have another condition. So let's think that, so with variable I have another condition, this is true. If this condition is also true, then what I need to do is I need to execute the condition as true, some logic. Okay, so now how we can write that one is, so we can use else if here. Else if another condition, if another condition is there, then what we can do in this else if, we will write to console.log another condition true. Now we will try to do, so I make this condition false and I made this another condition as true. So we will try to check the condition how we got the output. Now if I try to clear and if I try to check, see, we got the output, another condition is true. So here what is happening is it is trying to check the condition whether this condition is true or false. Okay, this one is false, then what I need to do, I need to go to the else. In this else card again we are checking if another condition is, if this another condition is true or not is checking. Yes, it is another condition is true, so it is trying to execute this console.log. Okay, it's not going into the else, it will not go into the else block. This is how if else, if multiple conditions are there, how we can write this one in the if else. Now what I will try to make is, I will try to make this one as 1 and I will try to check the output. Now we got this one condition as true. Why? Because condition is equal to 1, if condition, then it is executed this one. So here remember that 1 and true, for example if we check console.log 1 is equal to true, if we check this condition, what it will throw, it will tell us true. But if you, so true means, so here 1 also, if condition is true means then it is trying to execute the condition true. Now what I will try to do is I will try to make this one as triple equal to. Now what its saying is 1 is not equal to true, so that means it is not equal to. So now triple equal to clears the clear definition between the boolean and the number. So if you check with this one, what we can say is true and 1 is nothing but same only. In the same scenario, if you take 0 here and I try to check this 0 as false, and now I try to execute the code, now here we got the true, so that means 0 and false is nothing but same only. And if I try to check this one with the triple equal to, and if I check here, we are getting now false, so that means 0 and false is now not equal when compared to the type also. So here what we can think is boolean variable 0 is nothing but, we can think false are both are same, and 1 and true are both are same. Okay, so 0 and 1 and true and false, this boolean it will take as a boolean also. Now let's see, we will write it as 2 here. Now what will happen? So if I write 2 here and if I check run, then also we are getting condition is equal to true, but here we will try to check whether 2 is equal to true or not. Okay, so according to this condition, if condition console.log it is going into this condition means we can say that condition is equal to 2 is also true, but we are getting false. See here, why this one is showing false is 2 is not always equal to true. Why? Because in boolean numbers 0 is false and 1 is true, but 2 it doesn't come into any other boolean. But here in the if condition you need to know about the important concept. Other than 0, anything is true for in the JavaScript. So if you write 1, 2 or 3, 4 or anything, it will be true. It will consider as a true in the if condition. Now what I will try to do is I will try to keep the -1. So what will happen in this case situation? So if I try run, again this one is going into the condition true. Here it is going. So that means -1 also it will take it as a true only. So that means 0 only will be considered as the false, and 1, 2 everything other than 0 it will be considered as the true. Just remember, just note this point in the JavaScript. Now what I will try to do is I will try to keep the null here. Okay, now what it will happen, we will try to check. Now if I keep on run, now we got see another condition true. We went into the second, that means this condition became false. So null is also considered as a false in the JavaScript. So important thing you need to know in this if conditions and all those things is 0 and null is always considered as a false. Okay, other than 0 or anything it is considered as a true. JavaScript takes this one as like this behavior. So this is the important concept in the if condition. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.